Once you've finished work or chosen to retire, it's time to decide what to do with your SaaS benefit. If you meet a condition of release, one option is to stay within super by rolling over your money to the retirement phase with another super fund. Many SaaS members do this so that they can use an account-based pension to pay themselves a regular income in retirement. With an account-based pension, you get to choose how your money is invested, when you receive your payments, and how much you want to receive, provided you meet the minimum annual withdrawal amounts set by the government. The balance of your money remains invested so that it can keep on growing. Having a regular income can help you stick to a budget and stay on track with your retirement plan. But it's flexible too. If you need to access part of your balance or the entire account, you can withdraw it at any time. Just remember, the more you withdraw, the sooner your money will run out. Another benefit of the retirement phase is the potential tax savings. You pay 0% tax on the income you earn on your super. Once you're over 60, you won't pay any tax on the amount you withdraw, either as a lump sum or your regular income. While there are benefits to rolling your super into the retirement phase, there are some limitations to be aware of. After you set up an account-based pension, you can't add to it. So, if you want to add more, you'll need to either set up a separate account-based pension or roll back your first account-based pension to the accumulation phase, add to it within the contribution limits, and then start a new one. You could also leave your money in the accumulation phase. In the accumulation phase, up to 15% tax is paid from the income on your super. This tax is paid directly by your super fund, and the details are included on your annual statement. While many superannuation funds offer a transition to retirement income product that allows you to draw down from your super whilst you're still working, this isn't a feature of the SaaS scheme. So bear in mind that once you take your money out of SaaS, you have to remove it all. Deciding what to do with your money when you retire is a big deal. The good news is StatePlus planners are experts in SaaS. To book an appointment with a StatePlus planner, visit the StatePlus website or call us on 1800 620 305 today.